Hi guys, my name is Sherelle. I'm the founder of Kitsch, Noir, the black greeting cards and stationery brand. Today I'll be showing you how to set up your dry white wall calendar, and I'll be sharing some tips on how to use it. So this is the gorgeous pink tube you'll receive this life-changing tool in. The contents that are included in your Kitsch Noir wall calendar bundle are the dry wipe wall calendar, which is 90 centimeters by 60 centimeters, which is slightly bigger than A1 if you're into precise sizing, a pack of 8 dry wipe pens to use on your wall calendar, an eraser to wipe away your writing, and a pack of 8 wall stickers to stick your calendar up. But feel free to use blue tack as this also works. Number 1, to attach the calendar to the wall, make sure you lie the calendar on a flat surface and carefully place one wall sticker on the back of each corner of the calendar. 2, there will be 4 stickers left. You can use these to stick along the straight edge in between each corner to avoid any gaping when placed on the wall. 3, choose a clear space on your chosen wall, making sure the surface is easily accessible and doesn't have any objects obstructing it, as you may need to write on the board throughout the month or cross off tasks, and most importantly, you will need to see it every day. 4, now remove the back of the wall stickers and lightly stick each corner to the wall. If you want to be a bit extra, you can definitely measure where you want it to go on the wall before placing it on, or ask someone to stand back and direct you on whether it is straight or not. And ta-da! The calendar is up. Now for the fun bit. First, I write the month. To get the correct numbers and what day the month starts on and what day it finishes on, I just refer to my Kitsch Noir calendar. November, matches my green, starts on a Monday, finishes on a Tuesday, so then I just put the numbers in. I've left the days blank because some people like to start their week on a Sunday, but I start mine on a Monday, but I've left that up to you. So I'm going to write in the day with my black pen. So the first thing that I do before I write anything, like any birthdays, holidays, tasks, work plans, anything, I'll write down my goals onto my post-it notes, and then I'm going to put them here into the goals section. You can use your dry white pen to write here, but I like to be a little bit over the top and divide my goals into sections via post-it notes. I put my personal goals on my lilac notes. As I'm planning November in this video, a personal goal would be to send out all my Christmas cards to family and friends before the end of the month. My work goals go on pink post-it notes, and I list my affirmations to focus on throughout the month on a green post-it note. And as the post-it notes only have a sticky strip at the top, they sometimes curl up throughout the month, and because I'm super fussy with the way my organisation tools look, I like to take a tinsy bit of blue tack and stick it to the bottom to ensure that they are easy to read and 100% flat and 100% neat. Side note, I also love writing down my affirmations at the beginning of each month. I find it therapeutic, and it's also another form of manifestation as opposed to saying your affirmations out aloud. And now for my favourite part, colour coding. I use the 8 colours provided to separate my month. I use black for the month and weekdays, and here is my most important colour, blue. I use blue for batching days. So, there's this little trick that I've learned about recently, and I love it. It takes so much stress away from me and also helps me to be way more productive. Basically, I've started dedicating one thing to one whole day. Instead of trying to cram 5 things into one day, I've allowed myself to put 100% into one area per day. An example of this is designing. So I'll mark this as Design Day. Drawing and creating new imagery is a huge part of my business, so I need to make sure I'm on top of those tasks in that area. Therefore, I now have at least one design day per week. I used to have a schedule that only permitted me to spend a couple of hours drawing, then I'd move to content creation for an hour, and then I'd do admin tasks for 30 minutes, and it was just hectic and so not working. By using this batching technique, I'm able to fully immerse myself into design mode or admin mode and just get Done. Sorry, excuse my French. And by no means am I suggesting you do nothing else on those days, because if you finish earlier than expected, hey presto, you get to start tomorrow's batch. I use orange for exercise. I use yellow for me time, breaks and holidays. Girls trip. I use red for any deadlines or urgent dates that I need to work towards. I use pink for family time, my favourite colour for my favourite time. I use green to input the numbers for the days of the month, but also I use green during the month for any monetary notes like payday or chasing invoices. I use purple for important dates that don't require anything from me per se, but are handy to remember, like photo shoot days or cards arrive on this day. I also use black to cross the days off so I know exactly where I'm at during the month as soon as I look at the calendar. And that's how I fill out my dry white fall calendar.
1 month later.
What a great month that was. At the end of the month, to start afresh, I give it a quick light spray with water and wipe it down with my dry wipe eraser and prepare for the new month. I hope this video was helpful, guys. If you have any tips on how you use your wall calendar, comment below or let me know of any organisation tools that you think really help you to prepare for the month. I would love to hear what they are. Done. Thank you for watching. Please do hit subscribe and comment on what you would like to see next. My favourite month of the year.